Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Cookie Run Kingdom error code 100,026. So if you got this error, the first thing you need to do is to try to restart your device. If you play the game on your tablet or iPad, just try to restart your device and log in into the game again. So if this error still happens to you, try to uninstall the game and install it again. Also, you can try to log in into one of the other Cookie Run games. So just download one of the games like Cookie Run Tower or any other game and try to log in into that game. After that, go to the settings and change your password or add another layer of security. Then try to log in into Cookie Run Kingdom again, and hopefully this will help you. Also, another method to fix this issue is to try to change your password from the Cookie Kingdom website, because this error sometimes comes because of authentication issues. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.